Okay, so now we're on example 4, finding the domain and range of functions. But here we're looking at yet another case of a relation, which is just a set of ordered pairs. These are all x and y values. xy, 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 and xy. Okay. So before we can find the domain and range of a particular function, we need to first confirm that what we have here is indeed a function. So remember, a function is going to map one input to exactly one output, one unique output. All right? So in this case, we have 1 going to 2, 2 goes to 2, 1 goes to 3, 4 goes to 2, and 6 goes to 3. So is this a function? Gotta be very careful with this. Does each x value go to exactly one y value? So you're probably thinking, no, and you'd be right, because 1 goes to 2 here, and then the x value of 1 also goes to 3. So this isn't a function at all. It's a relation, but it's not a function. So at which point, we would just write not a function. And then I would also give a reason why. I'd say 1, actually I'll write it, 1 goes to 2 and 3, which is bad. Okay? So which one is it? 1 goes to 2 or does 1 go to 3? We don't know. So it's not a function. It's a relation, not a function. So domain and range. How do you find the domain and range of a relation? Probably the same way, depending on the textbook. You probably find it the same way you would for a function. Find the set of all x values, find the set of all y values. But for most cases, and most people would consider this to be true, if you don't have a function, domain and range are irrelevant. We don't need to find domain and range when you don't have a function on your hands, okay? So at this point, domain, don't care. Range, don't care. At this point, we're done because we declared it's not a function. All right? So we are done with this example, and this is one of those weird cases where it's kind of a trick question. So always be on the lookout for those. All right? So with that, we are done with example 4, and we're going to move on to some more formulaic examples in the next difficulty. See you there.